Turner's Concentrated Artist Watercolors are an exclusive product from Japan that we have brought in, and they offer a really, really beautiful color range, 148 colors, 66 of which are a single pigment. So they mix beautifully. They're triple roll milled, they're consistent, and really one of the nicest things is there's absolutely no filler in the Turner watercolors, okay? There's pigment, gum arabic, and wetting agents. So these colors are really nice and vibrant. I'm just gonna pull out some color here for you and kind of show you what you could expect working with them. I'm going to take some primaries. They sit up really nicely on top of watercolor paper, really, really bright. What I like to do is, because there's 148 colors, it's a giant color range, is just sort of take the primaries to start with and give you an idea of how they'll work for you. Get a really nice bright green there. And finally some magenta. Getting into more of a violet. And let's see if we can get some orange. Yeah, it's nice. Really beautiful colors. They also have 4 specialty sets of 4. There's like a springtime, there's a sunset, and there's metallics and pearlescence. And I actually have a few of those kind of pulled out here for you. This is their metallics and pearlescence, and I'm going to try to angle these a little bit so they catch the light, so you can kind of see. You don't often get really nice golds or bronzes or pearl, you know, like these pearlescent pinks, whites, blues, etc. Really gives you some new options to try out and play with. I'll also just grab for you some of those springtime colors. This is, I think, fresh water, really nice. We'll just see how that wets down. Colors flow beautifully, absolutely beautifully. And then I also have wisteria, which is this nice lavender lilac purple. Let's see what happens when I blend those together. Really nice effects. Now, because these paints are so highly concentrated, there's no fillers, there's actually, compared to other watercolors, really a minimal color shift when they dry. Now, there's always going to be a little bit of color shift because water adds, well, reflection mostly, but I'll show you just, I've already put down here some cerulean blue, and that cerulean blue is dried. And just for comparison, we'll take a little bit of wet color and lay it down next to it. And what you'll find is that compared to some of the other brands of watercolor, the colors are not going to shift as much on you when they dry. You know, you can lay down a color and it can look really, really vibrant and beautiful, and then as it dries, it kind of dulls out on you a little bit. So having a color that has minimal color shift is a huge advantage. So these are our Turner watercolors from Japan. Definitely worth giving a try. Thanks.